YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy 360 Juice. I'm back with another video for y'all. Alright, so right before we get into this video, you already know what to do. Click that link down in the description below. It's gonna take you over to my second channel. Smash that subscribe button for your boy. Alright, y'all, so let me explain what this video is gonna be about. Basically, I'm gonna show you guys a great way you can lay your hair down. Alright, lay your hair down to its fullest. You know, give it that shine, give it that pop, give it a little sharpness, you feel me? So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be using today for this technique that I'm showing y'all, for this method that I'm showing y'all. So y'all just pay attention and just get the most that you can out of this. So first off, guys, I'm gonna start off with the hot towel method because I'm gonna moisturize my hair also. I need to open up my pores, and in order to do that, I have to, like, you know, add some heat to it, and that's what the hot towel method is gonna do. It's gonna apply some heat and then open up my pores. Then I'm gonna go in with this moisturizer slash butter right here. This moisturizer, this butter slash moisturizer by 216 Wavy. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. There we go. Alright, so I'm choosing this product right here because I love it, man. It smells really great. It really moisturizes my hair like very, very good. So I'm sticking to this, and this is all I use. Alright, this butter slash moisturizer right here. This is what I'm gonna be using for this method. Get yours today, and on top of that, once you get yours, you get 26% off when you use my discount code 360juice26. So that's to add some cherry on top. And also, this smells really great. I love the smell of this. I'm gonna be using my medium brush right here. Then I'm gonna use my medium soft, and then my soft brush, and then we're gonna go into the method I'm gonna show y'all. So no hard brush yet because my hair is still a little low, and this is kind of like my first week officially on my wolfing session. This is the first week, and you know, I'm not gonna start using the hard brush until like maybe about the third, fourth week, because my hair is gonna be a lot thicker by then. All right. And also, last thing I'm gonna use is this oil right here. This is tea tree oil. I'm gonna be using tea tree oil. All right. You guys could apply any oil that you. Come on, bruh. Come on, come on, come on. All right, there we go. So you guys can apply any oil that you want. It doesn't have to be this certain kind of oil. You feel me? It could be any oil that you want. Yeah, man. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. You're dead.
They ain't sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it, hey.
Alright, y'all, that is it for this method, man. The most effective part of this method is when you wet your hands and you're just going over your head to lay down all the little small hair that's poking up. You're trying to lay all those down, and then at the end of that, that's gonna add a little bit of shine to your hair, and it's gonna hold. So I like to do this with the product because I feel like product plus water equals, like, you know, I don't know, it's just something that I like to do. That's why I moisturize before I do this method, and I don't do it all the time, but I do it every time I moisturize because I want my hair to be extra laid, you feel me? But yeah, man, that's really it for this video. Just showed y'all this. I'm not gonna show you guys the results because I'm not gonna have time to, you know, record that and then add it to the video because I'm gonna edit right after this video, like right after I finish recording. So it's like I have to wait, you know, about 5 hours until I unrag, and I don't got time to be doing all that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go live tonight and I'm unrag for you and just get a little brush session and, you know, show y'all how laid my hair looks and everything. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like, comment, and if you're new to my channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button for me. I'm out of here. Peace.